Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White. I've just pressed unlock on the key there, so we just saw the Vivace headlight welcoming animation. Here's the key. I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second. This is the pathway lighting, which displays the full low beam system. So let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. It's very sunny. We just had daylight savings time, so it's really sunny in here. So let me get this lap all the way around. And then we can take a closer look at all the details. So let's do it. So this is the classic uni paint that's available more or less on every single BMW, Alpine White. No charge for this paint, and it looks awesome. And it actually sets itself apart simply for the fact that most of our paints that you see are metallic, and this one is not. So you got the body lines coming down, all focusing on the center point here, which is the BMW Rondelle. And we have the new iconic glow kidney grille, lights up, headlight welcoming animation, and again, pathway lighting. Press and hold panic for 1 second. So that looks really good. We also have the horizontal slats with the bottom being active grille, so that will open up. M badge on the driver's side. Down here, more active shutters, split dual chin here for the new design language. And front end looks really nice, very clean. We've got some functional air ducts on either side. And let's take a closer look at these headlights. So these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. So we've got the double stacked L shapes with the stacked LEDs in there. So that all looks really nice. And with the black housing, very sporty. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 21-inch Star Spoke 1037M wheels in frozen black, and that is with the red M Sport brake back there, which looks really awesome, and red with the black definitely contrasts and pops really nicely. We also have the M badge on the fender in Canada, black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera there. We also have the M welcome light carpet. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Side profile, you can see we've got sports activity vehicle through and through, flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front, black roof rails, glass roof, new style antenna, and there's your rear 21-inch 1037M wheel. And we have Hofmeister kink here, and side profile looks really good. Now we come to the back, you see we've got the new X-shaped taillights with the integrated BMW logo lighting up there, and all these crisscross patterns that are reminiscent of some of the designs that you'll see inside the car. Spoiler up top. At the back here, rear wiper, BMW Rondelle. And if I take a little step back, you see we've got the quad exhaust pipes, rear diffuser, and the vertical reflectors on the two widest sections. Now I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to do a quick kick underneath here. So that opens up the hands-free way. We have the new style cargo cover here to hide your contents. You can press this button and you can press this button to make it loose so it can come out. Once it's out, there's a space that can be stored here. There's more space, tire inflator kit plus, wheel lock key tow hook. And when you're done with this, you just push it towards the front of the car. When you no longer see orange, it's locked back into place. 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, little netted area here with illumination. Another 12-volt plug, another grocery bag hanger over here that can be used to prop this thing up. And up top, we have a button to close, another one to close and lock. But you can definitely just kick your foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. Passenger side, we've got the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this while you're refueling. And if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see we have the manual sunshades here. We also have the nice window switch, high gloss black here, new style door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, deep door pockets, and we have the black interior with the Alcantara M color stitching on the stitching over here, and we've got the contrast stitching here as well. And on the shoulder, fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center here with some cup holders, and up top here there's a button you can press for the center pass-through, just like this. And up top, glass roof, big opening. We also have some handles, coat hangers, reading lights, microphones for Bluetooth, and on the back of each front seat, accessory port, pockets, optional winter rubber mats, ventilation and illumination down there. We also have some rear vents, rear climate controls with heated seats for the 2 outer positions, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. So that is all really sweet. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. If we approach from the front passenger door, open that up, we've got some ambient lighting here, vent controls, unlock, lock, window switch, big deep door pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. So front seats, very heavily bolstered, manual under the thigh extension, headrest is also manually adjusted. Over here we've got some soft touch materials here, some stitching going across, button down here for your illuminated glove box, iDrive 9 on the curved display. Down here we've got your ambient light jewel box. We have the wireless charger on the driver's side with the vent, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, M jewel in there with your cup holders, glass push start button and iDrive controller. We've got your volume wheel and your gear selector. And if I lift this up, you'll see there's a 12-volt plug inside of here as well. So let's shut this door, we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we open up that driver door, you'll see inside we've got another ambient light over here, memory seats, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster for the driver's side. And over here we've got the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display. This one also has the interior camera, so you can look inside to the car from the app. We also have the universal garage door openers down here. And this one also has the active cruise control with stop and go, so it'll mitigate the speed and distance to the car in front of you so long as you've got your hands on the steering wheel, eyes open looking forward. So that is all good. And up top, visors and some more Bluetooth microphones and handles up here. So down here, it's not readily visible, but if you feel for it, there is a release lever here. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. This one has 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We've got some strut bars. We've got some mild hybrid stuff in here as well. And we have positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to send her down. Perfect. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Love that welcome light shimmer. And let me just get a few more longer range angles. Car looks sweet. So let me just hit unlock here. Get the tail lights on. That looks awesome. So how do you like this spec? X3 M50, Alpine White, Black, M Sport Pro. Let me know in the comments below, and guess what? This car is available, so if you're interested, hit me up. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Alpine White with the black interior M Sport Pro package. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.